I am so excited for Christmas this year and to get a fake tree, but I like the smell of a real tree.
They smell so good. So if you have a fake tree or just love the smell of Christmas, we are going to make today a citrus Christmas room spray. So it'll get you a great holiday scent with the pine and with a little bit of citrus.
All right, let's do this.
All right, for this recipe, you will need a 2-ounce spray bottle, 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Distilled water helps the recipe last longer. As soon as water is in a recipe, it will go moldy eventually. So using distilled water helps prevent that.
Gotcha.
Makes it last longer.
Increases the shelf life.
You can also add 2 tablespoons of either witch hazel or vodka. This is gonna help our essential oils mix in a little bit. It'll also help the shelf life a little bit longer.
We're using witch hazel in this case because we're not gonna have some vodka at work, just saying.
We're also gonna need 25 drops of mandarin essential oil and 15 drops of pine scotch.
Okay.
This recipe is super easy to make. It makes a great gift. And if you have people over, you can freshen up a room really quick. It's a good Christmas recipe. And to make it, you can just add all the ingredients to the spray bottle.
Witch hazel, water.
We poured these in little beakers to make it easier to pour into our spray bottle.
All right.
And then just put the lid on and give it a shake to mix it up. And whenever you're ready to use it, you'll just shake it and spray it.
All right.
For a very citrusy Christmas.
I'm excited to put it on my new tree.
And don't forget to label it, otherwise you have a beautiful spray bottle and you don't know what's in it.
So for this recipe, you can actually just take the sticker right off and put it right on the bottle. And you can still tie a little ribbon around it.
Make it super gifty. And you can add a tag with instructions or who it's for.
Ooh, that looks super cute. There you go. Look at that cute little bow.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah, it actually is. For more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com and subscribe to our recipe box.
For more natural, toxin-free goodness.